Ема. Ліза. Бріна є моя приятельниця.
It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small. The fears that once control me can't get to me at all. Let it go, can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. Will never bother me anyway.
Addio.